Yeah, one of the reasons I chose B9Creations is the first thing, they're in my hometown, which is nice. But that even if they weren't, I would still choose them just because they are concerned about the things that I'm concerned about. They're always constantly upgrading and constantly trying to be on the cutting edge, seeing if there's things that they can do to make it easier for the user. If I've ever got a problem, I can give them a call and I don't have to, go through a waiting list. I don't have to, go through an automation. I talk to the people and they know exactly what's going on, and they know their customers as well. So, and also I've seen them grow. From the very beginning when you would buy a 3D printing kit, you had an option of buying a kit and assembling it yourself, or buying one that was pre-assembled. And just seeing them, transform over the years into what it is today is very satisfying. And I know that if I have a problem with it, they're gonna, one, be able to fix it, and two, they're always gonna be on that cutting edge. So in the next couple of years, there's gonna be new products coming out that's gonna make my job even easier. So.